Assalamu alaikum students. This is a question where we are given the expression for the acceleration. Okay, the question says a particle traveling in a straight line passes a fixed point O with a velocity of 1. So when it is passing through O, the velocity is given. So that means the initial velocity is 1 basically when the time is 0. Its acceleration is given as 12t squared. And we have to find the acceleration first of all as it passes O. So this is a very simple thing. When it passes O, you have to understand the time is 0. So you put time 0 here. So as it passes through O, the time is 0. Therefore, the acceleration is going to be 12 into 0. So the acceleration is 0 at that moment. Okay. Now, then it says find the distance from O when the time is 1 and when the time is 3. Now, this distance from O is basically, this is basically the displacement. He has used some other terms here to express this displacement. Okay, so when we are to find the displacement, obviously we need to have the expression for the displacement. Now we are given the expression for the acceleration. If I differentiate this, integrate this acceleration, I will get the velocity. So let us first of all integrate this velocity. There is no way of moving from acceleration to the displacement directly. So first you have the acceleration, you will find the velocity by integrating it. So this is the integral of 12t square dt. When I integrate this, I get this velocity is going to be 12t cube over 3, and then plus, please do not forget to write this plus c here. Okay, so this velocity is 4t cube plus c. We must have velocity at any of the times so that we can determine this c. So we were given in the beginning that when the time is 0, the velocity is 1. So we shall put these values here. I'll put this as 1 and the time is 0. So c is, therefore the c is 1, and the velocity expression is going to be 4t cube plus 1. This is the expression for the velocity. Now let us find out the expression for the displacement. So when you differentiate the displacement, you get the velocity, and to get the displacement back, you will have to integrate this velocity. So this x is going to be the integral of this velocity. Okay, let me change the color. So this x is going to be the integral of this 4t cube plus 1. Okay, so when I integrate this, I get t raised to power 4 plus t, and plus, let me write this c1, because we are integrating, we have to write this c. So since c was already used, so I'm just writing this c1. Now, do we have any value of the displacement? So we need to have displacement for at any given time. So we know that it started from this, when it started from O, so obviously the displacement is 0 when the time is 0. So let's put those values here. So when time is 0, x is 0, therefore the c1 is 0. Now the expression for this displacement is finally t raised to power 4 plus t. Now he says find the displacement when the time is 1. So when time is 1, the displacement is going to be 2. You put 1 here, and this is going to be 2 meters. When the time is 3, you put 3 here, that is going to be 81 plus 3, that is going to be 84 meters. Okay guys, I have explained the basic questions on this Kinematics.A, where we're using the differentiation integration to find the values of the velocity, acceleration, and the displacement. Inshallah, in the next videos, I will be taking the questions from past papers. Till then, Allah Hafiz.